How to fix Instagram countdown sticker not showing problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram countdown sticker not showing. So this is the latest feature for Instagram, and most of you are not finding the sticker of countdowns. Then what you have to do is to find the sticker. What you have to do is go back to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram here. So just click on Instagram, and then what you have to do is scroll down. First you have to do is you can see here beta tester. So I have already joined the beta tester here. So here you can see I'm leaving this beta tester, and the option is rejoin. So you'll find a join option here, so just join this and then wait for a second, it will be joined. And then here you can see an Instagram is asking for an update, so you have to update your Instagram if they are asking for an update. Then go back and then see your Instagram, and if the problem doesn't work, if you're not finding the countdown sticker on Instagram, then what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and then search for Secure VPN. You can see here Secure VPN. Just click to Secure VPN, and then you have to download this application. So I have already downloaded, so I will show you how to use this. Just click on Secure VPN. And then you have to click on connect. You can see here an option connect. Just click on connect, and then you can see a French flag on the top right of your screen. Just click on the region here, flag region, and then you have to select to any of your country. Let me select for Germany. So just select your country and connect the VPN, and then go to your Instagram. And then just click one photo here and click on the sticker icon, and see, you can see here countdown option. You can see I have got my countdown option. And if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is you have to uninstall your Instagram and reinstall it, and then you can see the problem will be solved. You will get the countdown sticker on your Instagram. This is how you can fix your Instagram countdown sticker not showing problem. Thanks for watching.